Again, looking at this, I would rewrite it as 30x squared minus 37x plus 10 equals 0. I would make some attempt to factor that problem. And I'm looking at it, I'm going to say 6 and 5 equals 0. And then looking at the 10, and I'm going to say 2 and 5. And if that's the case over there, the 5 would have to go here, and the 2 would go there. All right? So let's take a look, see if we can get that. And I'm certainly getting 30x squared. I'm certainly getting 10. Question is, am I getting the 37 in the middle? Let's see what you get. I'm going to say minus minus. That would give you 30x squared. Beautiful. Minus 12 minus 25 is minus 37. Things are working fine. So the answer over here is going to be 5/6, or x is going to be, that's 5x minus 2, by the way. X is going to be equal to 2/5. Look at the key. You're going to see those answers. Whoops, sorry about that. 5/6 and 2/5. All right, I'm going to erase that, but I really felt that was an easy way to go, but you may disagree, all right? The thing is, you want to find a comfort zone for yourself. You should learn completing a square. So if I were doing this thing completed square, the one thing I would do is, I would put down 30x squared. Let's see, minus 37x equals minus 10. And then I would probably multiply both sides by 4 times 30. Again, 4 is a perfect square. That will give me the 2, and 30 would make the 30 a perfect square. So if you do that, it looks kind of crazy looking, but you get, let's write this down. You would get 4 times 30 squared, x squared, minus 4 times 30 times 37. Wow, that's crazy looking. X, and then you're going to get, on the other side, minus 4 times 30 times 10. All right, let's take a look at it. And I got to complete the square now. How would you do that? You would add 37 squared to both sides. Again, I find the arithmetic to be, overly cumbersome, but I do know something. I know what this is, all right? And that's going to be, let's see, the square term is going to be 2 times 30x quantity squared. So it's going to be 60x. And then, let's see, you got a minus sign in the middle, so minus 37 quantity squared. So I see this, but I got to be honest with you, the arithmetic over here is going to take some effort, right? But that turns out to be 169. Nice number, by the way. What do you do then? Square root rule. Let me get my eraser out, though, and erase this stuff over here. I'm kind of done with it. I'm done with this, done with this, done with this. And again, we're just walking our way through the K. And you're going to get 60. X minus 37 equals plus or minus square root of 169, which is 13. And then you get 60x equals 37 plus or minus 13 over 60. We'll get the same answers we got by using the zero product rule. Whoops, I made a mistake here. Got to erase it. Again, I added 37 and divided by 60. You get two numbers here. And what are the two numbers going to be? X equal. Let's write these down carefully. 37 plus 13, which is, let's see, 50 over 6. 60, I mean, which is 5/6. I definitely see that. And the other one I'm going to get is 37 minus 13. Well, that's going to be 24 over 60. And those two numbers are divisible by 12. And that would give you 2/5. All right, leads to the same answer. Again, mileage varies depending what road you take. And certainly a simple road, you can get better mileage. But there's nothing wrong with learning this technique over here. It's useful in many circumstances. And we've already come across problems where we couldn't have used trial and error. We had to go directly to completing a square. There's many examples like that, by the way. All right, thank you.